Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, condolences messages continue to pour in for a 25 or 26-year-old Noxolo Khumalo's family after her painful passing. If you haven't heard the story, kwenzeka kanjena ke guys, ngama holiday ka Good Friday, uNoxolo went home to visit her family eNanda endaweni ekuthiwa kusematendeni khona eThekwini, esuka la eJohannesburg labesenzela khona as a teacher. Sike guys, uNoxolo used umgwaqo lo wathinteka kwamosheka ibridge ngezikhathi zama floods ase KZN last year. Ibridge ke lelisho ukuthi kaze zelungiswe kuze kube manje, bathi ke she drove to that bridge and imoto yakhe ke yakhala kathela khona, and that was the end of uNoxolo Khumalo. May her soul rest in peace. Abantu ke ababone kwenzeka lokhu bathi they tried to stop her, but ke ba assume ukuthi ke ucabanga mhlambe bafuna ukumhijacker and wanyusa ispeed semoto wa driver to that bridge, and ke imoto yakhe ke guys yes iphoseka khona and washonela khona lapho. Many people blames ugovernment ngongawuvali lo mgwaqo complete guys, ngoba kushuthi ke uNoxolo didn't know ukuthi ibridge la mosheka ngesikhathi sezikhukhula, and futhi ayikho into ebimvimba ukuthi adlule lapho, noma mhlambe bewabona ama sign abekhona ama sign abhaliwe ukuthi kunengozi ekhona, but ayikho into ebimvimba ukuthi akwazi ukudrive aqhubeke. So yeah guys, it's a very painful story. Her life was short lived. Her blessing imoto yakhe became indlela yokuthi ahambe emhlabeni, leaving behind her 7-year-old child. Well guys, I don't know ukuthi singayithini le ndaba, but I think government wethu must look into this thing yokuthi la kune la nje ekukhona khona inkinga babeka izinto ezivalayo complete, la nje ubona khona ukuthi umuntu angaphoseka, because some people abahlala eKZN and abazi ukuthi le minye imigwaqo ayisebenzi or mhlambe kusebenza iside elilodwa. So if they could use those yellow things, yabo lezi yellow abayibeka lapha ko freeway uma ngabe khanje makuthiwa umgwaqo uvaliwe, babeka lezi zinto lezi eziyele ikhomba ukuthi awukwazi ukudlula, like you can't, there is no way ukuthi ungadlula khona. So I think yeah guys, bezingekho izinto ezivezile noma uNoxolo ayibonile ukuthi no angikwazi ukuthi ngadlula lana. So guys, yeah, that was the very sad and painful story sika Noxolo Khumalo. May her soul rest in peace. To her family, akwehlanga olungihliyo, uThixo akabaqinise in this difficult situation, and we believe ke ukuthi ke ugovernment uzothatha inyathelo kusuka manje singaluza abanye abantu ngenxa yobudedengu bakhe. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.